The best trip, the worst day, and the farthest place. Last summer, I had the best trip of my life. I went to 3 different countries with my family: Spain, Italy, and Greece. Spain had the best food. The paella was delicious, and the people were so kind. Italy had the best weather. It was sunny every day, and we went to the beach often. My sister said it was the best vacation ever. But not everything was perfect. One day in Greece, something bad happened. We lost our luggage at the airport, and it was the worst day of the trip. We were tired, hot, and had no clean clothes. Even the hotel we stayed in was the worst one we had ever seen. The shower didn't work, the air conditioner was broken, and the bed was hard. But the next day, everything got better. We went on a boat to a beautiful island. It was the farthest place from the city, but also the most peaceful. The water was clear, the sky was blue, and we saw dolphins. My little brother said it was the best day of his life. So yes, the trip had the worst day, but also the best moments. And the farthest place was the one we loved the most.
Like and subscribe to the channel.